Hello, and welcome to Learn Natural English Idioms and Metaphors. Today we are looking at ballpark. A ballpark figure is an estimate. In the ballpark means approximately or about. The baseball ballpark is wide, so a ballpark figure is a wide number, a number that is not exact, but in the general area. Let's look at some examples. Can you give me a ballpark figure? Well, it will probably be about $4,000 for a company of your size. My kitchen caught fire last night. No one was hurt, but it's gonna cost me in the ballpark of $1,000. Apple's revenue for this year has still not been released, but a ballpark figure of $260 billion is expected. Think about these questions. Can you give a ballpark figure of how many people work in your company? How much money do you spend in a year? Can you give a ballpark figure? What is a ballpark figure for the savings you need to live after retirement? Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next video. Good luck with your English studies.